Hey guys, here's the heat pump I built, custom made, 58 degrees on the evaporator, cause it's in heat mode. My name's HVAC, pumping out refrigerant through the compressor, out of the discharger, into the condenser, which is this coil. When you flip the reversing valve switch, when you flip the reversing valve switch, it will reverse the flow, turning this coil into the cold. Then the refrigerant falling through the condenser. Then you got glycol pumping through the system, exchanging heat 62 degrees now, temperaturizing the refrigeration. My name is HVAC. I am certified now. Built this whole heat pump from scratch. I know what I'm doing, so I don't need it. It's a system sealed hermetically, pumping out the freon through an evaporator. The system is basically a refrigerator. The condenser is in cooling mode. My name is HVAC 73 degrees on the heat pump, pumping freon through the evaporator. My name's HVAC hosted are at 350 PSIG. Cause I'm refrigeration, pumping freon through the system now. System pumping, refrigeration coil, getting colder, adding all the refrigerant to 77 to 381 to 3 coil as the heat is being moved. The fan's pulling the heat out of the coil, plus the fan is cooling it down to zero because the system is pumping out refrigerant. I built this and don't worry, I'm certified. I passed my EPA test. That compressor's hot now, pumping out refrigerant. My name is HVAC, running the system now. I built this. You can see the water glycol cool condenser. It's got a water pump pumping glycol to these green tubes. The glycol circulating. I built the whole unit from scratch and I know what I'm doing, cause I took the whole HVAC class, the system sealed hermetically with freon in the compressor. I got breakers that cut the power, receptacle control the fan and temperature. This one is the water, which is the compressor, on the 20 amp outlet, certified in HVAC.